Okay, we got Delicious Babes, Muscle Cars, and Hot Rods coming up. Here's a Luscious Lady, a 1933 Ford 5-window custom coupe. Here's Foxy Lady, a 1935 Auburn 851 SC boat tail speedster. Here's a gorgeous woman in a 1938 Delahaye Type 145 V12 Chaperon coupe. There's a 1947 Hudson custom pickup and a beautiful babe. There's a sexy babe in a 1955 Oldsmobile custom. There's a red hot babe in a 1960 Chevy Impala. There's a cool looking lady in a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette split window coupe. There's a hot lady in a 2019 Lamborghini Aventador LP 770. There's an awesome woman in a 2020 Ford GT V6 with 660 horsepower. Wow. Okay, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening. That's all she wrote, okay?